On this page, we have two letters from Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson we know as one of the founding fathers, writer of the Declaration of Independence, so a fairly important person in early American history. He was an advocate of education. What we're going to read on the left is his letter to George Wythe, who was a former law professor in the College of William and Mary. At the time he wrote this, he was living in France as a diplomat, so meaning he represented the United States in international affairs. He wrote, "I think by far the most important law in our whole government is that for the spreading of knowledge among the people. No other sure foundation can be created for the preservation of freedom and happiness. If anybody thinks that kings, nobles, or priests are good conservators of the public happiness, send them to Europe. Preach, my dear sir, a crusade against ignorance. Establish and improve the law for educating the common people." Think about what were some of the key ideas Mr. Jefferson had in this. A conservator means somebody who is protecting, conserving, taking care of public happiness. On the right, a letter from Thomas Jefferson to George Ticknor. He was writing to talk about his plans for creating a university. He wrote, "The college will probably be within a mile of Charlottesville and 4 miles from my house at Monticello, if the system is adopted by our government. My hopes, however, are not very high because the members of the state legislatures do not seem to understand that knowledge is power, that knowledge is safety, and that knowledge is happiness." Two different letters from Thomas Jefferson with slightly different messages. But how do they both relate to policies which could influence education?